In this video, I will be dealing with pole and polar of a circle. Given the polar and the circle, we have to find the pole of that polar with respect to that given circle. So, consider a circle x square plus y square equals to 5. Now, consider the polar 2x plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. Mark a point A on the polar. Then again mark a point B on the polar. Now draw tangents from the point A to the circle. Then again we have to mark these points of tangency. Then you have to draw a line through C and D. Same thing we have to repeat for point B. Now a pole is the intersection point of these two lines through CD and EF. That will be shown in the blue dot. So our pole is 1.67, 2.5.